Hello everyone, here in this video I'm going to show you that how you can display color variants as a separate products on your collection pages. This is not compulsory that your variant name should be color, it can be any other name also. So you can separate all those variants on your collection pages and accordingly you can display as an individual product. So right here on my screen you can see that I have multiple products, but each product has its own color variants, but only single color is displaying. For example, I am taking this example. So you can see that we have multiple colors right here, but only single color is displaying on my collection page. So how we can display all of them on the collection pages? So let me show you step by step that how you can do it yourself in your store. So this video is specific for Prestige theme. If you have any other theme, then you should go to the playlist. I have already uploaded a lot of videos with different themes, and if you still don't find, then you can message me. I will quickly upload the video or maybe help you out in solving according to your store. So firstly you should go back to the dashboard of the store, and here you can see that I have installed Prestige theme latest version 10.7.0. If you have any other version, then still this feature will work in your theme. So the first thing is that you should click on these three dots and duplicate this theme, because in that way you will keep the backup of the original version of the theme, and then you can start editing the code. So click on these three dots and click on edit code, and inside of it you will see that we have multiple folders and files. So I have already given a complete documentation which you need to follow. I have added the link below in the description, so you should follow the link and then you will be getting all these files into that. So firstly you should open document.txt, and inside of it I have already given all the steps in detail. So the first step is that you need to create a new snippet, color-variant. So let me copy this name and go back to this dashboard again and click on snippets, click on add a new snippet, and here you need to paste that name, which is color-variant, and then click on done. So in the same way you need to go back to the documentation, create another new snippet, color-product-card. So you should copy this, then after you should go back here, click on add a new snippet, paste that name here, then click on done. And similarly we have the third step, which is create another new snippet, color-option-value. So you should copy it, go back here, click on add a new snippet, paste that name here, and then click on done. And then again go back here, you should go back. Here is the fourth step, which is go to sections, open main-collection.liquid. So let me copy this. You should search it inside of this search box, and you will see that we have main-collection.liquid. Just open it, and then you need to search product-card. So let me copy, and here you need to use Ctrl F or maybe Command F, and it will be highlighted like this. So you need to remove this product-card and then replace it with color-variant. So let me copy it, and firstly you need to remove it, and then after you need to paste that color-variant. That's it, and then click on save. So let me close this file, and then you need to paste the attached code which I have already given. So first thing is we have color-variant.txt. So you need to open this complete code, and then you need to paste it inside of color-variant.liquid. So let me paste it, then you need to save the changes and close this file. Again go back, and here we have color-product-card.txt. So you should open this complete code, copy it, and then go back here, paste inside of color-product-card.liquid, and then you can save the changes. Once the changes are saved, then you can close this file and again go back to this folder. You will see we have color-option-value.txt. So you should copy this complete code from here and then go back and paste that code into color-option-value.liquid, and then click on save. So all these changes are saved, and now you need to close this file and go back to the collection page. So here we have all the products which we already seen before, that each product has only single color displaying. Now we are going to refresh this page and let's see how it works. So now you can see that we have multiple colors of each product and all of them are displaying on this collection page. So that's how actually we are interested to display all of them. So if you have the swatches or something, so definitely that will also work according to the way it was working before. So please don't worry, if you have any problem or something, you can ask me directly. I will help you out in solving all those issues. And I have also created a lot of other features. So for say example, if you will, let me show you a preview. So in the previous videos, I have actually explained how you can create multiple sliders in your store. For say example, here you can see I have added a pricing table, I have added a video slider, I have added product slider, I have added a testimonial slider, images slider, collection slider. So all these sliders are pretty much so all these sliders are really beautiful. So you can try one of them, or maybe all of them. You can implement it into your store, because in that way your store will definitely be looking outstanding. So I'm not using any app or something. That is just a custom section. You just need to copy and paste the code. That's it. So that's how you can actually beautify your store. And if you're facing any issues or something, you can directly message me. If you have a new store to create, or maybe you need a custom section to create, so you can message me. I have already given the contact details below in the description. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. You can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. You can join a WhatsApp group also, and you can also join the YouTube perks, where I am giving free consultations related to your store optimization, multiple features, how you can improve, and there are a lot of things which I can help you with. So thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.